Can I use that penny?
What penny? I don't have a penny.
That penny.
Oh, you mean the pen?
Yeah. I just thought it would sound better if I added the IE.
Sure, whatever. Whoa, stop it. What are you doing? You can't draw on the counter with this penny.
Why not? I have nothing better to do. I'm hungry.
Well, I'm making the grocery list right now. I have no idea when we're gonna have time to go. We're so busy today.
I need food now!
Okay, I can tell. Well, how about you go look in the pantry or something? I'm sure we have something you can eat.
No, how about we use this penny?
What, you want us to stir our food with the pen or something? I don't think the
No, like the pasta. Penny.
Oh, like penne?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, it's pronounced penne. At least I think. Anyways, we might have some of that in the pantry. You can go check.
Okay, but like, what are we gonna make with penny? Oh, wait. I remember a recipe I heard of a few days ago. It was like penne alla vodka.
Penne alla vodka?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, great idea, but I'm pretty sure we're still young to drink.
No. We just put a little in and then we boil it all the alcohol off.
Are you sure?
Yes. We can go check the recipe, although we don't have a recipe. So let's go find one.
Okay, and we can go get the ingredients while we're at it.
Okay, let's go. Where are we going?
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So, before we make our penne alla vodka, make sure to
Subscribe
comment
and like.
and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. So, anyways, let's get started. I hope it doesn't take too long. And after checking the recipe, it definitely says that we boil it off. So don't worry, you're not gonna have any alcohol in this dish, just the flavor.
And always get permission and supervision. And if you're not allowed with vodka stuff, then just substitute it for water.
Yes. So yeah, make sure you have your parent supervision because we don't want anything going wrong in the kitchen. So yeah, let's get started. Bring a large pot of water to a boil.
In a large frying pan over medium heat, warm the olive oil. Add the garlic and saute until just starting to turn golden, 1 to 2 minutes. Add the vodka and cook until reduced by half.
Add the tomatoes, your choice of meat, salt and black pepper to taste, and the red pepper flakes and let simmer uncovered for 10 minutes.
Generously salt the boiling water, add the pasta, and cook until al dente, 10 to 12 minutes. Drain well and add the pasta to the frying pan.
Add the cream and stir over medium heat until the penne is well coated with the sauce, about 4 minutes. Taste and adjust the seasoning.
Pour into a warmed, large, shallow bowl, and add the parsley and toss briefly. Serve immediately.
We used basil instead of parsley. Okay, so now let's try it.
Yummy.
This looks and smells phenomenal. I can't wait to try it. I have basil on mine. Lance didn't want any on his, but you can top it with basil, parsley, whatever you want. You can even top it with cheese if you want to. So,
That was you, Mackenzie.
okay. Are you ready? I'm trying to get some lamb, because that was our meat. We chose lamb, so. Some lamb.
Some noodles, obviously.
Noodles, sauce,
Not
tomatoes,
noodles, but,
basil, everything. All right, ready?
3, 2, 1.
It's so good. The lamb really helps, like, it adds a different flavor to it. I really like it. Here, let me try some, like, sauce.
And pulls it all together.
It's really good. So, as Lynn said, I personally would, add cheese. But that's just, like, my personal preference. But,
And when I first poured the heavy cream in, I'm like, oh shoot, why is it so wet? But it all really came down and it's thicker now, so it's better.
it's really good. I love it. Well, it was really easy. It was probably one of the easiest meals we've made, right? One of my favorites. So, I hope that you try it at home. It doesn't take long, and most of the ingredients are things that you probably have in your house already. So yeah, it would be a great like lunchtime meal or dinner or something that you just want to make really fast. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Bye.